Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming stitch count and where the color swap will sit. This matters for shaping. Once confirmed, stop before the last loop of the stitch where you want the new yarn to appear. Cut the old yarn, leaving a 6/8 cm tail. Hold the new yarn ready. Insert hook, yarn over with the new color, and pull through to complete that stitch with the new yarn. This creates a seamless first loop. Make sure to keep tension consistent so the join matches surrounding fabric. Now you need to secure and hide the tails so the amigurumi looks neat. After completing the join, pull both tails toward the inside or wrong side. This reduces bulk on the right side. Thread tails onto a yarn needle and weave them through 4 to 6 stitches in alternating directions. This locks them without a bulky knot. Once done, trim tails close but not flush. Leave a millimeter to prevent unweaving. Make sure to maintain even tension so the fabric lies flat. Finish by continuing your pattern for 1 to 2 rounds to let the join settle. Check stitch count and shaping as you go. If you spot a small gap where colors meet, use a yarn needle and the mattress stitch to gently close it, or pick up a bar and pull through with the new color to tighten. If the join loosens later, weave an extra pass with tails, or add a tiny dab of fabric glue on the inside only. Make sure to inspect stuffing placement so no seams split.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.